Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible.
Okay. Okay, please.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the legal landscape, challenging traditional frameworks, and reshaping our understanding of justice and accountability. A very warm morning to all respected dignitaries, valued guests, esteemed chairs on virtual dais, intellectuals, faculties, professors, participants, and attendees from across the globe. Greetings to one and all. We are all gathered here today for the inauguration of the 25th International Seminar on Artificial Intelligence and Law, Navigating the Legal Landscape in the Age of Artificial Intelligence, organized by Kerala Law Academy Law College in association with the Center for Advanced Legal Studies and Research, the research wing of Kerala Law Academy, along with IQAC KLA. This seminar promises to ignite thought provoking discussions and fresh perspectives on the intersection of artificial intelligence and the legal domain. Myself, Joycey Joy, along with my co anchor Afrin MI, will be the student moderators for this inaugural session.
I'm deeply honored to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all those gracing this virtual platform. Kerala Law Academy Law College, a distinguished institution established in 1966, has been at the forefront of legal education, consultancy, research, and reforms. Over the years, the Academy has nurtured numerous legal scholars who have become the esteemed members of the legal communities worldwide. Upholding this legacy, we are honored to host the 25th International Seminar on Artificial Intelligence and Law, Navigating the Legal Landscape in the Age of Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way legal system functions. From AI-assisted legal research and predictive analytics to automated contract drafting and judicial decision-making, AI is reshaping the traditional legal processes. However, the integration of artificial intelligence into law brings forth critical challenges, ranging from data privacy concerns and algorithmic bias to ethical dilemmas in AI-driven decision-making. This webinar aims to offer a dynamic platform for in-depth discussion on these evolving issues, shedding light on the legal, ethical, and regulatory aspects of artificial intelligence. Through meaningful dialogue among scholars, legal practitioners, and policymakers, this seminar seeks to explore the future of artificial intelligence in law and its potential to enhance or challenge the justice system.
Moving forward with the session, now we have Varsha G. Nair ma'am, Assistant Professor, Kerala Law Academy Law College, an outstanding academician holding a Master's in Law from Cochin University of Science and Technology. Ma'am has been a guiding force in legal education, inspiring students with her passion for teaching and her in-depth understanding of the law. Her commitment to academic excellence and student development makes her a remarkable asset to our institution. From the bottom of my heart, I invite Advocate Varsha Ji Nair ma'am to officially welcome our esteemed guest to this inaugural session. Ma'am, please.
Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So, respected dignitaries, esteemed faculty members, and distinguished guests, and dear participants and students, a very warm welcome to you all on this prestigious occasion, the 25th International Seminar on Artificial Intelligence and Law, Navigating the Legal Landscape in the Age of AI, organized by Kerala Law Academy Law College, Kalsat, and IQAC KLA. So AI is rapidly transforming industry or decision-making under human interaction, and in this evolving landscape, the legal field must adapt to ensure the technology serves justice, human rights, and rule of law. So this seminar brings a brilliant mind to discuss the crucial intersection of law and technology. So it is honor to welcome our esteemed guest, Sir Dr. Suresh V. Nadagowda, Acting Vice Chancellor, Register, Rural Development and Panchayat Raj University, GAR. He is an academician, a legal expert whose contribution to education and research are truly inspiring. I welcome you, sir, to this seminar. Next, I would welcome Dr. N.K. Jayakumar, sir, former Vice Chancellor, NUALS, Kochi, an eminent legal expert and a policy maker whose contribution to law reform are remarkable. I would welcome sir to this seminar. Next, I would welcome Advocate Nagaraj Narayan sir, Director, Kerala Law Academy, member, Bar Council of Kerala, whose mentorship and leadership have shaped many legal professionals. Next, I would welcome Professor Anil Kumar Kesa, Director, Administration, Students and Faculty Affairs, whose dedication to education are invaluable. Also extend our heartfelt welcome to Professor Harindran Kesa, Principal, Kerala Law Academy Law College, Professor Anil Kumar Jisa, Vice Principal, and Professor Dr. Ajita Nair Elmar, HOD, Kerala Law Academy Law College, to this event. Also extend my welcome to the esteemed faculty members, faculty conveners, students conveners, organizing committee, and IT and other technical teams, and all the participants to this seminar. Your enthusiasm and decision make this event a grand success. So, and also wishing you all the productive and insightful experience to this seminar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your warm welcome. I take this opportunity to welcome you too, ma'am.
Now, we have the most esteemed presence of Dr. Suresh B. Nadagowda, sir, the Vice Chancellor, Acting, and the Registrar of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj University, JDAG, and the Senior Professor of Law at Bangalore University. With vast experience as a researcher, professor, and legal expert, Sir has made a remarkable contribution to labor laws, industrial disputes, and rural development policies. Sir's expertise and dedication to legal education has inspired many. We are truly grateful for Dr. Suresh B. Nadagowda Sir's presence among us today, and we look forward to benefiting from his insights and expertise. Sir's wealth of experience, unwavering commitment to developmental governance, and distinguished career makes him an exemplary figure in the field of law. Sir, I'm deeply privileged to invite you, sir, and I request Dr. Suresh B. Nadagowda, sir, to this inaugural address. Sir, please. Sir, you're not audible, sir. You're mute.
Okay, I mean,
Thank you, sir.
okay, sorry. Namaste and good morning to all of you. I am very happy to be part of this inaugural session. The Honorable President of this inaugural session, a Dean of Legal Education, Dr. N.K. Jayakumar sir, the Director of the prestigious Kerala Law Academy Law College, Sri Advocate Nagaraj Narayanan, and Professor Azim Khan Pathan, Dean and Professor, Faculty of Law, Kalinga University, and all esteemed faculty members of Kerala Law Academy's Law College, Srimati Dr. Dakshina Nanda, Faculty Coordinator, who contacted me to be part of this program, and all the participants. Very good morning to you once again. Indeed, at the outset, I would like to congratulate the Kerala Law Academy's Law College and all the organizers for organizing an international seminar in virtual mode on this very important topic, that is AI and law navigating the legal landscape in the age of AI. In fact, my association with Kerala Law Academy's Law College dates back to 1992, when I participated in a moot court competition when I was a student at University Law College, Dharwad. And indeed, Kerala Law Academy was one of the pioneer law colleges who used to organize moot courts and all. During those days, only very few law colleges used to organize, and one among them was the Kerala Law Academy's Law College. And nowadays, of course, every law college is organizing. And subsequently, I was also invited as guest for one of the programs that was organized in the Kerala Law Academy. I think around 4 to 5 years back, when I was a dean and heading the University Law College at Bangalore University. And now again, I am with you in virtual mode. I'm really very much happy and delighted to be part of this program. And indeed, I'm very happy to place on record that Kerala Law Academy's Law College is one of the best law colleges in the country. Friends, since the topic is of great importance, is one of the most emerging areas of technology, because nowadays we have reached to such a state that earlier we used to consider those who do not know reading and writing as illiterate. And nowadays, if we don't know technology, then we will be treated as illiterate. Particularly, AI technology is one of the most advanced technology which is affecting or which is necessary for each and every sphere of our profession. So in the recent years, we have witnessed remarkable advances in AI technology, from natural language processing to complex algorithms that can predict behavior. AI is permeating almost every aspect of our lives. While these advances hold tremendous potential for innovation, they also bring forth a myriad of legal challenges that we must navigate responsibly. AI holds the promise of improving efficiency, enhancing the accuracy of legal predictions, and streamlining the cumbersome process often associated with law. However, this promise also raises significant ethical, legal, and societal questions. How do we regulate a technology that evolves faster than our capacity to understand it? How do we ensure fairness and transparency in algorithms that may inadvertently reflect biases present in our data? As we believe into these questions today, let us remember that our primary goal is to harness the power of AI for the betterment of society while safeguarding our fundamental principles of justice and fairness. The legal profession has historically adapted to new technologies. Think of introduction of the telephone, the internet, and even e-commerce. In each of these instances, the law evolved to address the accompanying challenges. However, AI represents a different level of complexity. The decisions made by AI systems can sometimes be opaque, lacking in accountability. As lawmakers, we must develop frameworks that not only regulate AI technologies, but also protect individual rights and liberties. The European Union Draft AI Act is a noteworthy step toward establishing comprehensive regulations that govern AI technologies. It categorizes AI applications based on risk levels and sets forth requirements for transparency and accountability. Similar initiatives are emerging around the world, recognizing the urgent need for legal structures that can adapt to the rapid advancement of AI technologies. Another crucial dimension of our discussion is ethics, the deployment of science. As legal practitioners and scholars, we must actively engage in conversations about the ethical implications of using machine learning algorithms in decision-making processes. How do we ensure that AI systems uphold the principles of justice, equality, and due process? It is imperative that as we develop these technologies, we incorporate ethical considerations to avoid perpetuating existing societal inequalities. Furthermore, the question of accountability looms large when the AI system makes a decision that adversely affects an individual, whether it is in criminal justice, employment, or civil matters, who is responsible? Is it the developer of the algorithm, the user, or the machine itself? As we explore these critical questions, it becomes clear that our legal frameworks must evolve to accommodate the nuances of accountability in the age of AI. Looking ahead, the future of AI in law field with possibilities. We can leverage AI to enhance legal research, improve case predictions, and even automate routine documentation. Yet, as we embrace these technologies, we must remain vigilant. Education and interdisciplinary collaborations will be key in ensuring that we create a robust legal ecosystem that can adapt to the technological advancements of our legal system. Ladies and gentlemen, the journey ahead will not be without its challenges, but it is a journey worth embarking upon. Let us work together to ensure uh, case law, we are required to sit in the library for 3 to 4 hours and searching for the cases and all. Now, even by click of a button, you can get n number of case laws and different variety of this thing on a particular subject year wise. Then we can also compare the similar cases which have been rendered by high courts and Supreme Court and all that. So that's how it has helped even the legal education, the students to make their research, to refer to the case laws, refer to the articles on a particular subject and all that. But however, we do have a challenge of misuse of the technology. Particularly, we have a problem of plagiarism. Then it may even reduce the writing capacity. Concerns have to be looked into. And as far as the legal profession is concerned, AI technology has come in a big way to help the practitioners for documentation, writing the deeds, sale deed or gift deed, or even the contracts and all that. And more particularly, even for lawyers also, searching of the case laws has become very easy compared to earlier times. Then even we can also use AI technology for drafting our pleadings, like written statement or even the plaint or petitions and all that. And if you put the facts in the chat GPT and all, you will get the draft of the whole pleadings, maybe plaint or written statement or even a writ petition and all that. And that is really helping the people, particularly those who are not that accurate in the language, in the writing and all that. To that extent, it is helping. And even the technology, particularly, can you use AI technology for investigation of crimes in the criminal cases, and even it can be used for forensic analysis and all that. Then, particularly, even the AI technology is being used in the Indian judiciary. And as many of you may be well aware, that about 27,000 cases of the Supreme Court have been translated into in all the use of AI technology that has helped the legal professionals, not only the legal professionals, even the general public, or particularly the litigants, to even have access to such a decisions of the Supreme Court. And as many of us are well aware, that we are facing a problem of huge dependency of the according to some servicing data, about 3.5 to 3.5 crores of cases are pending in the country. And many cases are pending, around 60,000 cases are pending in the Supreme Court. More than 1 crore cases are pending in the different high courts, and about 2.5 crore cases are in the lower courts. So in order to clear this dependency, it takes a lot of time. So that's how it is inevitable to explore the possibility of using this AI technology to speed up for the disposal of pending cases. And I compliment the Kerala judiciary and the Kerala government by coming out with a very innovative concept of online courts. This is, I think, it is the first state to establish the online court. As I saw in the news, as I read in the newspaper, that the Kerala has started online court to that is 24/7 online courts to dispose of the small matters, like the check bonds cases, the motor vehicle small accident cases, and all those things. So this is really worth to emulate by other states, according to me, so that there will be there can be a speedy disposal of the trivial matters instead of wasting the regular court's time. I think this will be helpful even for the clients, even for the lawyers, to submit their pleadings online, and to make arguments, and to get the decision also online. And even the clients and also the accused and all can appear online. And of course, in India, a lot of changes have taken place in the judicial system. Almost all courts have been provided with internet computers, and video conference cases are being heard through video conferencing, and the witnesses are also recorded. The evidences are also recorded in some cases. But use of technology is a must to see that the cases are disposed of as expeditiously as possible. And of course, these concerns have to be taken into consideration, and there is a possibility of some misuse, and particularly those things which we have to address. And with the use of technology now, recording of evidence and all, as I told you, has become very easy. Earlier in the earlier system, they were required to appoint the court commissions, and they were required to go to the concerned person, particularly in case when the person was suffering from any medical problems and all, or due to old age, they were who were unable to come to the court. The court used to appoint the court commissioners for recording of evidence, but now it is not so. They evidences can be recorded online. The use of AI technology in a legal field is inevitable, but only thing is that we have also to take into consideration the privacy of the people and the human rights issues. And we can also think of a law to regulate the AI more this thing people friendly and to help the people for getting the speedy justice. So, with this conclude, once again, I would like to thank all the organizers and congratulate them for taking steps for organization of such a important conference. Thank you once. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening words and the valuable insights.
Thank you, madam. Namaste.
Thank you, sir.
Amidst this gathering of legal minds, we are honored to host Dr. N.K. Jayakumar sir, former Vice Chancellor, Newalls Kochi, and Chairperson, Advisory Committee, Kerala Law Academy, a titan in the field of law. With a distinguished career spanning former leadership roles at Kerala University, including as head and dean of the Faculty of Law and as project director at the Center for Advanced Legal Studies and Research. Notably, Sir's distinction as a sole recipient of the National Fellow Award from the Indian Council of Social Science Research speaks volumes about Sir's academic prowess. Having shepherded over 10 doctoral candidates and authored 11 books and 60 research publications, Sir's impact transcends academia, as evidenced by Sir's former advisory roles within the Kerala Legislative Assembly and the Chief Minister's Office. Sir, we are truly honored by your presence today. With great respect and privilege, I invite Dr. N.K. Jayakumar sir to deliver the presidential address. Sir, please.
Thank you. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Dr. Suresh V. Nadagowda has just delivered the inaugural address. Professor Azim Khan Pathan will deliver the keynote address. Varsha G. Nair, Assistant Professor. Shakti Prabha, Assistant Professor. Professor Harindran, Principal of the Kerala Law Academy, Law College. Other faculty members, faculty coordinators, student coordinators, moderators, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really happy to be associated with this international seminar on a very appropriate and significant subject. In fact, my dear friend Nada Gowda has practically mentioned every aspect that needs deliberations related to the subject. As far as I am concerned, my knowledge of artificial intelligence is practically next to nothing. And the more I speak on artificial intelligence, I will be revealing my ignorance of the subject. But I know that innovations in technology always pose great challenges to law. Technology acts as a facilitator, mostly, Technology may also act as a destroyer in some cases. But we can never ignore the role of technology in the mission of law. Everything depends on how we make use of technology, harness technology to our own purposes. The moment we fail in that, technology will become a disaster. Artificial intelligence also has to be viewed in the same light. It has plus and minus points. And it is a task of legal professionals. By legal professionals, I mean not only lawyers practicing before courts, but legal scholars. Legal scholars who always display a detachment and can approach challenges to the law from an objective point of view. Because we are not interested in winning a case for our client. We want the legal system to be better. We want the legal system to serve the society. We want the legal system to deliver goods. And in that endeavor, legal scholars must always be conscious of the importance of their roles. Coming back to artificial intelligence, I'm sure that this international seminar will definitely throw much light on the challenges, complex issues that arise when artificial intelligence becomes more and more advanced. As of now, I think nobody has a clear idea about the scope of artificial intelligence. All of us have a vague idea. Certain things it is expected to do. But the admirers of artificial intelligence always present it as a panacea, an innovation which will lead to a great revolution in the field of not only law, but recently I have seen a paper where the author projects artificial intelligence as capable of solving all major problems of mankind, including climate change, poverty, illiteracy, ignorance, discrimination. Maybe such optimism is good, but I am not that much optimistic. As artificial intelligence has its admirers, it also has people who are antagonistic, people who are deadly against artificial intelligence. A modern philosopher, his name is William McAskill. He warns us that unchecked artificial intelligence could abet a global totalitarian dictatorship or decide to treat humanity like obsolete software and delete us from the planet. This philosopher, I don't know what extent he is right, but he's not a person to be ignored. He sounds a warning, telling us that artificial intelligence is capable of deleting us. We may no longer exist. even if physically we are there, all our capacity to do anything, mental caliber, everything may be deleted by artificial intelligence. Because we are moving towards a world where you remain connected to a machine and that machine decides what is good for you, whether you should exist or not. Every decision will be taken by machines, not by human beings. So this is the extreme point of view. Sounding a warning that artificial intelligence is even capable of deleting all of us from the planet. We may no longer exist because virtual existence is becoming more important than physical existence. Even this international seminar is facilitated by technology. In my student days, or even in my days as a law teacher, I have never able to imagine that we can organize an international seminar with participation from all over the globe. Everybody remaining at his own place, his home or office. It is possible now. It has become the order of the day. Every day international seminars are now taking place. So this seminar on artificial intelligence itself is a tribute to technology, and in such get-togethers of legal minds, we must seriously deliberate. When artificial intelligence becomes more and more powerful, earning the capacity to interfere in our individual lives more and more, eliminating, taking away the privacy which we value very much, will be impossible with a short time. Privacy may become an impossibility. We can only aspire for it, but we can never realize it. Misuse of personal data will take place. So there are so many things to be worried about. As artificial intelligence becomes stronger, its potentialities are beyond our imagination. But it also has so many positive dimensions. And there are people who believe that artificial intelligence will deliver so much which we cannot even imagine at the moment. But there are certain dangers which are apparent, which are obvious, which have come to the surface even today. And as legal professionals, legal scholars, our concern naturally is focused on the regulatory aspect. How do we regulate artificial intelligence? Assuming that there is always a tendency to go beyond what one is expected to go. This always happens with power, and the power of technology is no exception. Ambitious people will attempt to take artificial intelligence beyond the so-called limits or the borders. They will cross the border. And nobody knows what will happen if artificial intelligence crosses the border. Today, we easily sense certain areas where artificial intelligence becomes a threat to either ethics or sense of morality. In February 2025, the Department of Science, Innovation and Technology of the British government along with the Artificial Intelligence Security Institute, released a report which is called Artificial Intelligence Safety Report. That report points out the imminent risk of the generation, the possession, and the dissemination of child sexual abuse instances with the help of artificial intelligence tools. The government of UK has already taken steps to enact a law which will deal with the subject. And we, as legal professionals in India, must think of how this could be prevented or at least minimized. Similarly, the Internet Watch Foundation, in a report in October 2024, underscored the proliferation of child sexual abuse material. One thing you may examine in your deliberations, perhaps, is the peculiar features of the proposed United Kingdom law on this aspect. What we find is a remarkable shift from an accused-centric and act-centric approach to a tool-centric approach. Because, as you all know, we always define an offense, deal with an offense, try to suppress an offense by an approach which is called accused-centric approach. It is placing the accused person at the center and weaving a web around him. Or act-centric approach. What act is illegal? Define that and try to deal with that. For the first time, maybe, the United Kingdom government has adopted a tool-centric approach. Destroy the tool. Artificial intelligence provides tools for child pornography, child sexual offenses. Here, we are not concerned with the offender, we are not concerned with the offense as such, but we are reaching out at the tools. The tool is provided by artificial intelligence. In India also this problem is really very serious. The National Crimes Records Bureau in its report states that cyber crimes against children have substantially increased. Every year it is increased. And technology becomes a facilitator in the process. At this rate, it may pose a serious threat to children's right to life and human rights. One problem which I think we have papers on that, and which causes great anxiety to many sections of the people, is the possibility that there will be large scale job displacement as a result of the spread of artificial intelligence. In one of the studies conducted with reference to the legal profession in the United States, they have found that nearly 20% of lawyers remaining at the level of associates in law firms may be displaced. They may be rendered jobless because through the tools provided by artificial intelligence, you can do the work performed by junior lawyers who are called associates in the American legal system, who work hard, working for 18, 20 hours a day, and their earnings are not that substantial. When on a visit to the United States many years back, I visited law firms where 400, 500 lawyers are associates. They have a huge building, like 80,000 square feet, 10 floors. I was thinking, the moment I entered that building, I was thinking that the law firm will be confined to 3 or 4 rooms in that building, but the entire building belongs to the law firm. 500 lawyers are working there. What will be the impact of artificial intelligence on that firm? If 20% are displaced, where will they go? What will they do? So this kind of job displacement can happen in so many fields, because artificial intelligence can do these tasks better, more efficiently, with more quality, with less expense. So there are questions, many practically relevant questions which you may have to raise in this seminar. And we must start thinking about the perils, the pitfalls. It is very easy to praise artificial intelligence. It narrates the virtues, the qualities, the wonderful world that will be thrown open to us by artificial intelligence. Well and good. But in what way it will affect our lives, the lives of people, vulnerable sections of the people around us. The ethical standards, values we have established in our system. The way in which democracy is preserved, rule of law is maintained. All these are question marks, big question marks, which need sustained research, deliberations like this, coming together of legal minds, trying to find out solutions to the problem. I'm very happy that the Kerala Law Academy has taken the initiative in organizing an international meeting of legal minds on a very important matter of contemporary relevance and significance. I'm very happy that I have been given an opportunity to be associated with this event. And I also got an opportunity to meet my old friend. In fact, when Nada Gaudar he came to Trivandrum to attend the moot court as a participant, as a contestant. I was professor and dean in the Kerala University Department of Law. But we remained in touch all along. He has been of great help to me in certain moments of need, crisis. Very happy to meet him again, Professor Nada Gaudar. I hope you are here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir, for your kind words and
Yeah,
blessings, sir. Yes, sir.
we will meet
Yeah.
physically,
Yeah.
not in the virtual platform, but
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Even I too wish, sir, to meet you and take your blessings, sir. Yes, sir.
sure. We will do that.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes.
It was very interesting, very nice listening to your words, which practically touched on every aspect of AI. So with the result that I don't have to speak anything by way of introductory remarks. Thank you. So
Thank you, sir.
I thank each and every one of you for patiently listening to my words. I never intended to speak more, but I was trying to confine my words to 5 minutes. But now it has gone beyond all the limits. So I wish this international seminar all success. I congratulate all those who are associated with the organization of this seminar for their noble efforts. Please take steps to publish the proceedings. Just conducting a seminar and forget about it the next day will not make any contribution to the academic work that is going on. So please ensure that all the papers, or at least selected papers which are properly edited, are published and disseminated widely, so that, because this is a very current, relevant topic. Thank you for listening to my words. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words.
Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. Every celebration is an experience as the external fades away and the internal lingers and echoes in the most depths of our heart. We are reminded that events like this are milestones on the journey of life and the reminders of good and fidelity all through. Now, I'd like to invite Shakti Prabha M. Sir, Assistant Professor, the Kerala Law Academy Law College, who is an outstanding academician and excellent educator, who is an integral part of the Kerala Law Academy Law College. Sir is also an active coordinator of various curricular and co-curricular activities hosted by the Kerala Law Academy Law College. From the bottom of my heart, I invite Shakti Prabha M. Sir to deliver the vote of thanks. Sir, please.
Thank you, Afrin and Joycey. Respected dignitaries on the virtual dais, Dr. Suresh V. Nadagowda, Sir, Vice Chancellor Acting and Registrar, Rural Development and Panchayat Raj University, Gadag, Dr. N.K. Jayagumar, Sir, former Vice Chancellor of NUALS, Cochin, Advocate Nagaraj, Sir, Director, Kerala Law Academy Law College and Member, Bar Council of Kerala, Professor Anil Kumar K. Sir, Director, Administration, Students and Faculty Affairs, invitees, distinguished invitees, teachers, participants, and my dear students, it's my honor and privilege to deliver the vote of thanks in the inaugural session of this 25th International Seminar on Artificial Intelligence and the Law, Navigating the Legal Landscape in the Age of Artificial Intelligence, put forward by Kerala Law Academy Law College and Center for Advanced Legal Studies and Research, KELSAR, along with IQSC KLA. As I move on with the formal vote of thanks, I would like to express my gratitude to Dr. Suresh V. Nadagowda, Sir, Acting Vice Chancellor and Registrar of Rural Development and Panchayat Raj University, Gadag. Sir, your inaugural address has set the tone for the thought-provoking discussion on leveraging innovation and drive meaningful change and global progress. We are deeply grateful for your insightful perspectives, sir, which have not only enlightened us, but have also provided clarity on the challenges and opportunities way ahead. On behalf of Kerala Law Academy Law College and my own behalf, I extend a heartfelt thanks to you, sir. Your presence here today has been a privilege for us. Thank you once again, sir. Now I express my sincere appreciation to Professor Dr. N.K. Jayagumar, sir, Vice Chancellor of NUALS, former Vice Chancellor of NUALS, for delivering a distinguished presidential address. Sir's insightful perspectives on the topic provided a valuable setting and enhanced our understanding. I extend a sincere thanks to you, sir, for your esteemed contributions. Now I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Advocate Nagaraj Narayanan, sir, Director of Kerala Law Academy and member of Bar Council of Kerala. Your leadership and expertise have been instrumental in shaping the next generation of legal professionals, sir. Under your guidance, Kerala Law Academy has become a prestigious institution renowned for its academic excellence and commitment to legal education. Thank you, sir, for your tireless efforts and dedication to the field of law. Your contributions are truly appreciated, sir. Then I would like to extend a heartfelt thanks to Professor Anil Kumar K, sir, Director of Administration, Students and Faculty Affairs, Kerala Law Academy. The Kerala Law Academy Law College, whose prudent leadership and resolute support have cultivated an atmosphere conducive to creativity and intellectual conversation between our students and profound professionals in the legal field. Thank you, sir, for your relentless dedication and the advancement in the prosperity of our institution. Now, I would like to express my gratitude to Professor Harindran K, sir, the Principal of Kerala Law Academy Law College, Professor Anil Kumar G, sir, Vice Principal of Kerala Law Academy Law College, Professor Ajita Nair L, ma'am, Head of the Department of Kerala Law Academy Law College, Dr. Dakshina Saraswati, ma'am, Associate Professor and General Secretary, Kerala MCS, Srimati Varshaji Nair, ma'am, Assistant Professor, and Sri Subin Chako Matthew, Assistant Professor, Kerala Law Academy Law College, and Shibin MI, who are also the faculty conveners of this event. I must also take a moment to express my sincere appreciation and for our dynamic student anchors, Joycey Joy and Afrin MI, whose effortless moderation has contributed greatly to the smooth flow of this session. And last but not the least, I would like to take this moment to acknowledge the tireless efforts of our technical and administrative staff and IT team. Your hard work, often behind the scenes, has ensured flawless execution of the seminar. Finally, to all our participants and attendees, a heartfelt thank you. Your enthusiasm and active engagement is what makes event like this so impactful. We look forward to the insightful discussions and exchanges that will undoubtedly enrich our understanding of this event. With that, I extend my sincere thanks to everyone who has contributed to making this session a live success. Let us contribute to explore, learn, and grow together as we navigate this evolving field of law. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. And I also take this moment to extend my gratitude to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
With that, we have come to the end of this inaugural session. On behalf of our institution, I would like to thank all the dignitaries for joining us and enlightening us with their valuable words. It is an honor to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Advocate Nagaraj Narayanan Sir, Director, Kerala Law Academy, and a distinguished member of the Bar Council of Kerala for gracing this occasion with your esteemed presence. Sir, your guidance has been instrumental in making this event possible, and we are truly grateful for your unwavering support. Now, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Professor Anil Kumar K. Sir, Director, Administration, Students and Faculty Affairs, the Kerala Law Academy Law College, whose steadfast dedication and inspiring leadership have played a pivotal role in propelling the institution to extraordinary heights of excellence. And also, I'm truly honored to extend my gratitude to Professor Harindran K. Sir, Principal, the Kerala Law Academy Law College, Professor Anil Kumar G. Sir, Vice Principal, Kerala Law Academy Law College, Professor Dr. Ajita Nair L. Ma'am, Head of the Department, Kerala Law Academy Law College. Subsequently, I would also like to offer my deepest gratitude to our faculty conveners, Dr. Dakshina Saraswati Ma'am, Associate Professor and General Secretary, Kerala Law Academy, Moot Court Society, and Assistant Professors of the Kerala Law Academy Law College, Subin Chako Matthew Sir and Shibin MI Sir, for their guidance and support.
We also extend our heartfelt thanks to our delighted student conveners. Your enthusiasm is the essence of this event's success. A special appreciation to our incredible IT team, technical staff, non-technical staff, participants, and teaching and non-teaching staff for their tireless effort in making this event a resounding triumph. On behalf of the Kerala Law Academy Law College, I extend my warmest wishes to each and everyone for continued success and excellence in all future pursuits. I hope all the participants were able to relish each moment of this event to the fullest. Last, but definitely not the least, I take this opportunity to thank each and everyone present here for your kind cooperation. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day ahead. This is Afrin MI, along with my co-anchor, Joycey Joel, signing off. Thank you.